In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use multicam in Zoom meetings so you can show multiple camera angles at the same time. This is perfect if you want to present professionally by showing your face on one camera while also displaying something else, like a whiteboard, desk setup, document camera, or product demonstration. Let's get started. Before you jump into your Zoom meeting, make sure you have your second camera ready. This could be an external USB webcam, a phone used as a webcam, or another built-in camera. Plug it into your computer and confirm that your system detects it. It's also a good idea to update your Zoom desktop app so all features work smoothly. Now join or start your Zoom meeting as usual. Once you're inside the meeting, position your main camera where your face is clearly visible. This will remain your primary video feed while you add the second camera for extra content. When you're ready to use multicam, go to the bottom toolbar in Zoom and click on the Share Screen button. This opens the sharing panel where you normally choose what to present. At the top of this panel, you'll see different tabs like Basic, Advanced, and sometimes Files. Click on the Advanced tab. This section includes more specialized sharing options that go beyond just screen sharing. Inside the Advanced tab, look for an option called Second Camera, or sometimes labeled as Content from Second Camera. Click on it, then press the Share button. As soon as you do this, Zoom will start sharing the video feed from your second camera with everyone in the meeting. Your audience will now see that additional camera view while you continue speaking. At this point, you've successfully created a multicam setup. You can use your main camera for talking and the second camera to demonstrate something visually. For example, you can show handwritten notes, a product, or a live workspace while explaining it. Here are a few important tips to improve your setup. First, position your second camera before the meeting starts. Make sure it's stable and properly angled so you don't have to adjust it during the presentation. Second, lighting is very important. Try to use good lighting for both cameras. Avoid shadows and make sure the content from your second camera is clearly visible. Third, remember that your audio will still come from your selected microphone, not from the second camera, so speak normally and make sure your mic is working well. If participants say they cannot see your second camera, check if you are actually sharing. You should see a green bar at the top of your screen that says you are sharing. If not, restart the share process. Also, if you don't see the second camera option, it might be because Zoom needs an update or your camera was not connected before opening Zoom. Try reconnecting the device and restarting the app. When you're done, you can stop sharing at any time by clicking the Stop Share button. This will return the focus back to your main camera. And that's it. Using multicam in Zoom is simple. Just click Share Screen, go to the Advanced tab, select Second Camera, and start sharing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.